Alright guys, so I know you guys already read the title, so you already know what I'm doing, but I'm unboxing the Jeffree Star Mystery Box. Yeah, I know, Lauren. Valentine's Day already passed. This was a Valentine's Day mystery box, and there's so many videos on YouTube right now, but it's okay. So my boyfriend actually bought this for me. I love him. Shout out to my boy. But I really wanted this one. I wanted this one and the Black Friday one. But the Black Friday one I didn't get, just, you know, because I was with my family and then I went with my boyfriend. So I passed on it and I was like, nope. But this one, well, I was going to pass on this one too. But my boyfriend got it for me and I'm so happy he did, because I'm so excited to open it and show you guys everything that's inside. And yeah. Oh, I'm not wearing lipstick because I'm pretty sure there's going to be some lipstick in here. So I want to swatch them. So first of all, the box is so cute. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Lots of tissue paper. So pretty. So, okay. Alright. I have a pop socket, and I love pop sockets. I use these all the time. They're always on my phone. They just help me hold my phone better, and this is a limited edition, I think, because he doesn't sell any on his page. But this is his pop socket that he put in the mystery box. The next item in here is a skin frost. This one is in the color Deep Freeze. Let's see if it focuses. Deep Freeze. And first of all, packaging, cute. My hand and the packaging are like the same size. I have so many of these, and honestly, if you don't have them, go get it. It's so good. And Deep Freeze is, I know, a bright blue color. Honestly, don't know when I'm going to use it like as an actual highlighter, but I do know I'm going to be using it as eyeshadow because it's a pretty shade. But will I ever hit pan on this? Probably not. Alright, so I went ahead and applied it, and you can see like a little cast just because it's obviously way too dark for me. But I only put it on because I know I'm not going anywhere now, and I'm probably just going to take off my makeup after this. But that is what the highlighter looks like on my skin tone. The next goodie in the mystery box is this lip ammunition in the shade Starfish, and that is the name. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and show you guys. The packaging on these is so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm excited to try this out. I know I'll definitely be using this, not for like every day, you know, or like to go shopping, but I'll probably use it in a couple of my eyeshadow looks, in a couple of my makeup looks for my Instagram, just because I love buying colorful lipsticks, even though I don't wear them all the time, but like I like having them. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then I'll be right back to show you how it looks on. The lip ammo smell really nice. They apply it really smooth on the lips. The formula is really good. I don't really buy too many like actual lipsticks. I always buy liquid lipsticks, but this formula right here has me shook. It feels so nice on the lips. And the color is really pretty. Like if I loved like this kind of color, I probably would wear it like all the time. You know, I might wear this in summer. It's just pretty. The last three items are liquid lipsticks. I love his formula. If you have never tried it, definitely go grab some, because I know you can find a color that you like. And the formula is so bomb. But these are the colors, not the colors, this is the packaging. These two right here are from the holiday collection. This one right here was from a collection, but he made it a permanent color, so it's in the original like Jeffree Star packaging now. These are the colors right here. This is Triggered, Can't Relate, and Watermelon Soda. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up, show you the packaging. put them on my lips. And I'm gonna start with Can't Relate, then I'll do Watermelon Soda and Triggered, because I want to go from lightest to darkest so my lips don't get stained and I don't mess up my foundation too much during this video. Next lipstick is Can't Relate from the Holiday Collection, 2018 Holiday Collection. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is what the color looks like. Let me show you with the other hand just so the swatches aren't in it. That's what the color looks like. The packaging is really pretty. It has a glittery, I don't know if you can see, but it has a glittery lid. And then on the tube, there's like actual glitter. So it's not a sparkly lipstick, but it has glitter on the packaging. So it looks like it's glittery, but this is a nude. I don't know how this nude's gonna look on me, just because like my natural lips are pretty pink. And like actual nudes never really look good on my skin tone, or maybe they do look good on my skin tone. I'm just not used to them. So my lips are right here, if in case you couldn't see them. But this color is honestly so pretty. The only thing is, since it's so close to like my skin tone, I would honestly have to throw on like a gloss just so it could pop out a little bit. But the color is really pretty. It's very nice. It's like, it's not like super close to my skin tone, but it is a little more pinkish brown. But if you're lighter than me, which I know so many people are lighter than me, this would be such a perfect like a light brown or a nude on many people. So the next color I'm gonna open up and try out for you guys is Watermelon Soda. So this color, it's also a very bright color. I already had it in the past before. I had it when it released with one of his summer collections. I forgot what the name was, but I had it in the original packaging. This is the color. So this lipstick right here actually smells like watermelon. It's honestly like so good. But yeah, that was my favorite part about it whenever I had it before. But I wasn't really into like makeup, so I bought it just to buy it because it was like Jeffree, you know? Mood. Buy just to buy it because it's Jeffree. But I never wore it, so I eventually gave it to my mom, and she wears it all the time. And I always look at it and I'm like, I want to take it back, but like, you know, I gave it to her. But he actually sent it in the mystery box, and I'm so happy I got it because it's so pretty. Like, it's such a pretty color. It's a little bright, but it's not as bright as Starfish. So I'm gonna go and put this bad boy on and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what Watermelon Soda looks like. I love it. I feel like it's just so pretty. Like, yes, it's bright. Yeah, it's bold. But like, I love it. Why did I give it to my mom? I don't know. But yeah, this is the color on me. If you guys like bold lipsticks, bold and bright, go grab Watermelon Soda. Like, right now, stop this video. Go to jeffreestarcosmetics.com, put Watermelon Soda in your car, or go to your nearest Morphe. So sadly, this is the last liquid lipstick in the mystery box. But honestly, I feel like my box was pretty good. Shout out to my boo. But this is the color Triggered, and I already have it, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch my own. I'm gonna leave this one brand new and unopened. Alright, so this is how Triggered looks. It honestly was like a brown, but it's like a purple undertone brown. So when I looked at the little, like, let me show y'all. When I looked at this little part, it looked purple, so I thought it was gonna be like a purple, but no. But anyways, I messed up my lipstick like right here, just because I've been taking off my lipstick on and off, and like yeah, sorry. So I went ahead and fixed it because my lips were a little too messed up. But honestly, this box, yes, a huge thumbs up. Jeffree, I love it. I think it is so worth it just because Like, the quality of his products are so good, like, so good. And I think literally like a couple of that stuff would have added up added up to the price of the box anyway. Like, buying 2 things would have added up to that total. I'm gonna go ahead and put the price right here just because I forgot how much the box was, and my boyfriend did get it for me, but I feel like this box is just like worth it, you know? Really quick before I go, I want to show you guys 2 things that my mom actually got in her mystery box. She bought one for herself and she gave these to me. I traded them for a Lancome mascara that she really liked, so I gave her the mascara and she gave me these goodies right here. So this one right here is the Skin Frost in Mint Condition. It is so pretty. This was one of the Skin Frost that you could get in the collection. This one did not come in mine, just letting you guys know. It's so pretty. This one would be a lot more wearable for my skin tone, even though it's like colorful, you know? But it is so pretty. And this one would be 100 times more wearable than the one I have. And then the second product that she got that I really loved and I was like, ooh, I need to grab it, was the lip ammunition. Can you guys tell that I really like the formula? Like, it's so good. I wish he would have put his lip liners in here, like, to match. He should have done that. He should have put a lip liner in here to match with the lipsticks. Next time, Jeffree, throw in a lip liner, please. So this is a lip ammunition in the shade Popsicle Dream. Such a cute name. His lipsticks always have really cute names, by the way. It's a very light purple, very bold and bright, but I know that I can use this with a lot of looks. And honestly, I just wanted a purple lipstick. Like, I'm so down to wear this. So since this was the very last color I tried on, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it on for my outro, because I'm literally about to go take off all this makeup anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you liked it. And if you're not subscribed and you watched this entire video, like, come on, just subscribe already. Help a girl out. Help her hit 100 subs. I'm so excited for that. You guys watched this video, you didn't sub. I know you guys are gonna come back and watch it because I just know. Alright? I just know. But have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Bye, loves.